Check me out. Today I got a Camaro, 2003, and I'm gonna do the wheel bearing on the passenger side, the front passenger side. So I gotta do the wheel bearing on this side. I kinda like this Camaro too though. I already got the caliper and the rotor off. I didn't show y'all this part, but I'm changing out this right here. This is the wheel bearing. So 4 bolts in the back, take the sensor off, and then they come out. These are the 4 screws that came out of there. I told you this to come on out. I just gotta hit it some more with the hammer. You see it's broken up. And I unplug the sensor right here. And this is the new wheel bearing right here. Now you can see the sensors where the 4 screws go. Yeah, then I'm done with this one. On to the next car. Alright, got it completely off. I'm gonna clean up around this right here. And it's time to throw in the new one. Alright, this ain't never been changed. So this wheel bearing been on this car since 2003. That's crazy. Look at the new one. You can tell the difference. So this is the new one. Got the bolts, got the sensor hooked up. Now I just gotta put everything back together. Everything back together. It's time for her to go.